What are you guys painting?
I make circle.
Circles?
Yeah.
Ethan, what are you painting?
Circle.
What color is your circle?
Me.
Huh?
Me.
Me?
Wee.
What did Wee Wee paint? Ethan, what did you paint?
I got the circle.
Yeah. I see, it's beautiful. You guys got such cool paintings. Ethan, can you paint a circle too? Whoa. Oh, good job. Oh, Curious George paints too? He sure does. He paints circles.